Hey yo, we doing it again on Sunday. Let's go fishing. Yeah. We out here. Hey guys, we're at Clifton Gardens again. Pretty good, man.
Quiet star, quiet star, quiet star, quiet star. Quiet star, quiet star, quiet star, quiet star.
Hey guys, so pretty much after the 2 leather jackets I caught in the video, I didn't catch anything else, but there are a lot of people that caught kingfish that you saw in the video. So I'm ending the day. It's like 1 p.m. I wonder what else I'm gonna do.
My life.
You have to open the car with my keys. So this is the first time I had to like skin a leather jacket. That was crazy. Oh, so easy to do though. Felt so nice. Alright guys, see you in a bit.
Let's go.
Okay guys, foot cam here. Forgot to do an outro, so this is my outro. Make sure you join the Nofishgang squad. You like, you subscribe, and you share the video with your friends. Make sure you do not forget to hit that bell. Alright? Peace.